dumating na yung package ko na galing Apple Store. So, it takes like 6 days. Yeah. So, dito na. So, this is the HomePod by Apple. So, we will do unboxing later. Okay, guys, it's been 2 days. So, I just want to open this for unboxing. This is a HomePod Mini from the Apple Store that I just ordered this last week, and it came after 6 days. So that's it, guys. So let's do unboxing. This is the box. Okay, guys, the HomePod Mini. I choose the color blue. The one. Yeah, so let's open this. It is the HomePod Mini. SiRi helps you to get things done from anywhere in the room. Enjoy immersive high-fidelity sound with Apple Design Audio. Experience multi-room audio with AirPlay 2. Pair two HomePod Mini speakers for stereo sound. Used with Apple TV 4K. Intercom between HomePod speakers. Controller smart home. Additional information at apple.com. Yeah. So this is the HomePod Mini Blue. Okay. Let's open it, guys. So let's open this. Okay, I'm gonna use our finger, but there you go. Yes. Open. This is the it's nice. It's rubberized. Nice. Then it has the cord on it, and then you'll see, guys. Okay, it has a apple, and it's a rubberized here, so that it will not be slip upon you put in the flat surface. And it has a button of minus and plus. Okay, it has a cord. Then what's inside of it? We can have the manuals, the manuals, and then you have these instructions and the speaker. Okay, and then they have this charger. Yeah, it's just a charger. Let's open. Charger is a 20 watts. This is 20 watts charger. So that's it, guys, and we're gonna start this. I'm gonna rip this off. Okay, and let's plug it. So it has a it's a 1 meter cable, so it was attached here. Okay, we're gonna put this here. Alright, and we're gonna put it. Okay, plug it in. Okay. So it should be pairing my phone. So anyway, so I'll just update you guys and we will see.